What's going on today, guys? My name is That Volkswagen Guy, and today I bet some of you are curious. Do I like driving the BMW 540i, the E39? Well, this will tell you.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
Alright, but in all seriousness, no. Yeah, I do love driving this thing. It's a nice car. It's a great handling car. It's got a lot of power. It's got a V8, 285, something like that, horse. But with the amount of issues that this car's got going on right now, it's just getting too pricey to fix it. So the actual owner of the car told me himself, drive it till it dies. So that's what I'm doing. But yeah, like I said, there's a lot of issues with this car. Right now, the transmission is slipping. It's an automatic transmission, so it's going to be slipping after a while. We got a rear main seal leak. We got a coolant leak. Got a death wobble, which is bad because I really like this car. And so I was going on a trip, and next thing you know, but get to about 110k an hour, and next thing you know, the steering wheel is shaking so violently I couldn't even control the car. Yeah, that sucked. But yeah, I really do like driving this car. Honestly, I do want another BMW. I also want another Volkswagen. I also want a Mercedes. I don't even know what the fuck I want. But in all seriousness, no, yeah, I love this car. And if I had the money, would I get another one? Not the E39. Might get something newer. But yeah, I love BMWs. I'm hooked. I'm just hooked on all German cars. So, yeah, hopefully if everything works out, I'll be driving, more German cars for the channel. So, let's hope. But for now, I'm going to continue doing detailing products. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, this is just a quick little update video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out, everybody.